We're gonna be dirt biking. We have my dirt bike. We have the setup. I got it in my backpack. My friend's gonna go dirt biking. Okay, guys, come on. He's gonna start dirt biking. I'm gonna video him. He's coming, I think. Yeah, he's coming. He's coming in hot. Yum, 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 yum. Going. Oh, dang. Bro, why did he look at me? I'm being serious, though. But he doesn't need to. Hit the jump. Nice. Nom, 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 nom. Okay, there he goes. He's gonna go over there. He's gonna hit the jump. Come over here. Hit the wibbly wobbly. Going up. Okay, I can't see him. He's coming down. Hits a jump. Okay, should come back soon. Gonna hit a berm over there. It's gonna come around over here somewhere. Yep, there he is. His jump over there. Can't see him, but he's going up a hill climb. Right over there. Can't see him. He's through the bushes. Yeah, you see him a little bit. There he is. Coming out. Nice. Really good, Colton. Yeah, he got that riz. Okay, now he's gonna video me.
Let me go park it right there.
Yeah, he's gonna park it and he's gonna video me. Okay.
Now it's Grayson's turn. Yeah, I was kind of thinking, he's gonna do good. This is his track, so. Yeah, he's gonna do good. He's ripping down there. I have to give him a thumbs up to send this jump. That's the jump that I hit. Yeah. So he's coming down. Holy, oh my gosh. He sent that. Okay. Okay. That's mine. Okay, I can't jump all the way over there. That's way too hard. So he did pretty good. Yeah, this jump is crazy for me. I shouldn't not too hard. And yeah, he's really good. This is his track. And that's a tree. So he's pretty good. There he comes. He's pretty good, yeah. Yeah, that was good.
Okay.
My turn.
Okay. That was really good. We did pretty good. He did really good.
Here, I'll go again. I want to go again.
No, Colton, no.
Well, I want to go again.
No, don't.
Why?
I can't. Okay, we're gonna be done. We're gonna post it.
One
Okay.
more time. Let me hit this jump one more time on the video.
Okay, he's gonna hit that jump one more time.
This one.
Okay, he's gonna hit that jump one more time into my dirt bike. Okay, let me move my dirt
I'll
bike.
hit your bike.
Let me move my dirt bike. Okay, guys, he's getting ready.
What the frick?
It goes forward if you. Okay, he just electric started. It's fine. Oh, really? Bro, I almost hit my dirt bike. My heart dropped. My heart freaking dropped. Oh, here he comes. Claps out his suspension. Oh! Oh, there he goes. He's gonna come back. Hey, wibbly wobblies. There he goes. He told a lie to me. He's like, no, I'm just gonna hit this jump one more time. No, he didn't. He hit it, but I don't know if he was gonna do the track one more time. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video.
Holy crap.
Golden, say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my gosh, bro.
We're all done. Bye-bye, people.